ready to turn ordinary photos into stunning vector art. First, import your chosen portrait into Adobe Illustrator by dragging and dropping the image file onto the artboard. Next, select the image, then navigate to Window and select Image Trace to open the Image Trace panel. Experiment with the presets under Mode. Start with the High Fidelity Photo preset, or manually tweak settings like colors and paths for a cleaner trace. Once you're satisfied with the trace, click Expand in the top toolbar to convert the traced image into editable vector paths. Now, grab the Direct Selection tool, that's the white arrow, and begin refining the details. Click on individual paths and anchor points to smooth lines, reshape areas, and correct any imperfections from the initial trace. Time to bring your vector portrait to life with color. Use the Color panel and the Eyedropper tool to choose a color scheme and apply different shades to individual elements of the portrait, such as the skin, hair, and clothing. To add a unique artistic touch, experiment with gradients, shadows, and highlights. Add stylized outlines using the Stroke panel, or use the Pen tool to create custom shapes and details that enhance the overall look of your vector portrait. And that's it. With these techniques, you can transform any portrait into a captivating vector illustration. Don't forget to experiment and have fun creating your own unique style. Subscribe for more design tips and tricks.